This Logik fridge freezer has a large capacity, giving you plenty of space for all your groceries. The non-plumbed water dispenser doesn't require tricky pipe installations. Simply fill the tank as required and enjoy quick and easy access to delicious chilled water. Perfect for summer days when instant refreshment is required. The adjustable glass shelves can be moved effortlessly for greater flexibility when it comes to storage, allowing the layout of the cavity to be easily arranged to suit your needs. LED lighting offers gloriously bright and even illumination across all of the shelves. Efficient and long-lasting, the energy-saving bulbs offer perfect visibility throughout the cavity. With its A+ energy rating, you get a certified efficient performance from this Logik fridge freezer.